Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create these smooth text animations in CapCut PC. So whether you are making a video intro or social media post, this trick will make your text stand out. Let's just dive in, and first you can just open CapCut PC and open your projects. Import your videos like this. And after that, you can just click on the text options in here, and you can go to the auto captions and enable the or generate the auto captions. Click on this one. Just wait until the captions show up. Okay, so now what you need to do is just select the text layer and click on animations tab at the top right in here, and find the captions text animations caption animation, and here you can just choose a smooth animation such as fade in, slide in, or typewriter. So in here I'm going to just find the slide animation, this one in here. And don't forget to also make sure that it apply to all of your caption, or you can also select it like this and choose the animation, this one. And you can also customize the captions like the font, the color, and everything. So in here I'm going to change the color into the style. I'm going to use this one, for example, and let's see. Okay, so that's how you can add smooth animations to your text in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.